Hey guys, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Shadowrocket with a proxy on your Android device, all in around 2 minutes. Let's get started. For those who don't know what Shadowrocket is, in simple terms, it can help you connect to the internet through different proxy servers, giving you faster, safer, and more private access to websites and apps. Shadowrocket is perfect for managing network traffic and bypassing regional restrictions. To set up a proxy in Shadowrocket, first, head over to Google Play and download the app. It's completely free. Then open it. Tap the folder icon in the top right. Some options for adding proxies appear. Since we're setting up a single one, choose Type manually. Next, select SOCKS as your proxy type. You'll see the fields match the details from your proxy list. Fill them one by one. If you don't have a proxy list yet, try IPcook. It provides fast and reliable residential proxies for all kinds of needs. Once you set the basic parameters such as region and protocol, you can generate proxy links with one click. It'll include the key details: proxy address, port, user ID, and password. Copy them back to the Shadowrocket setup page and paste into the corresponding fields. Save your information by clicking on the checkmark. To activate your proxy, press the paper plane icon in the bottom. If the connection is successful, you'll see a pop-up banner with latency right on it. That's it. You've successfully set up and run Shadowrocket with a proxy on your Android device. Don't forget to claim your 100 megabyte of free residential proxy from IPcook. Links in the description. Found this useful? Support our channel with a like and subscribe. We're always working on new features and exclusive promos. See you in the next one.
IPcook, your fast and reliable proxies for every need.